Good morning. The time is 8:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date is 5/24 of 2018. The deal with the North Korea and the President, Donald Trump, that meeting is not going to happen. What I have right here is the S&P 500 on a 15-minute chart, and this is today so far. We Yesterday we had a big up movement. I said that the volatility was going to be bigger. That means the downside volatility and the upside volatility. This is a 15-minute chart. We were up here slightly at 27.30. We dropped down to the lows this morning on this 15-minute chart, and the lows were right here this morning. We hit on the S&P at 27.07, and I'm letting you see the first 2 hours of the market, and the S&P had a big up day yesterday and it gave it all back. Once again, it's all about the headline event, the headline risk, and we're going to be updating this more on the S&P 500 and why the S&P 500 and the rest of the indexes are getting clobbered right now, selling down from upside volatility yesterday. We're going to be covering our Amazon. Our Tesla trade is still working. The Netflix trade is still working. So this is where the S&P has an attempted rally to come back up. But once again, like I said, the exchanges have been open almost only 2 hours, and we're going to continuously update it later in the day so that we can see here on that 15-minute chart right here in front of you how we're going to be going up off of the bottom. I have a 60-minute chart that I want everyone to see. And on 5/23 yesterday, we had a 60-minute consolidation, and we had a breakout, and we were closing well above the previous lows in that S&P. This is a 60-minute chart right here on the S&P. And basically, when we're looking at that time frame, which was the high was 27.30, and we have the put options, and we keep buying them intraday, in and out. There's a lot of headline volatility. The low is 27.07. Here's the current 60-minute bar. The high right now on that bar is 27.18. So we're going to see how the bulls come in and try to fight off of the bears. And price volatility is here to stay. Just because you have one up day doesn't mean that you're going to continue to have up days, and you're not. And this is price action volatility that makes us a lot of super big money in buying put options on certain stocks that are going to fall, buying the call options, and I will update later on. I will update the Netflix trade that we have and why Netflix was much better trade than Google and Amazon and Nvidia. And so this is the first 2 hour morning update. This is live market hours. I suggest that you get in the free 5-day trial, and you can see the magic. You can see the accuracy. You can see everything that you want to see. We give the analysis out before the markets even open up. So there's the 60-minute recovery bar. And like I said, it's 8:19 Pacific Standard Time, 5/24/2018. This is the morning update on the S&P 500.